Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to St. Anne, Manitoba, a charming community nestled in the heart of the Canadian prairies. This picturesque town is located in the southeastern part of the province, near the Manitoba-Ontario border. The town was established in the late 19th century. Its name pays homage to St. Anne, the mother of the Virgin Mary, reflecting the strong French-Canadian heritage that is still evident in the area today. The community was founded by settlers who were drawn to the fertile land and the promise of a new life.
Thank you very much.
Over the years, St. Anne has grown into a vibrant town with a close-knit community that takes pride in its heritage and traditions. St. Anne is situated in the Red River Valley, a region known for its flat, fertile plains and rich agricultural land. The area is crisscrossed by numerous rivers and streams, which provide ample opportunities for outdoor activities such as fishing, boating, and hiking. Whether you're interested in history, nature, or simply enjoying the warm hospitality of a small town, St. Anne, Manitoba offers a unique and welcoming experience.
Thanks for watching!